So the witness observer, in the beginning, you are part of the movie. You're the subject. You're the hero or the heroine of the subject. Of the drama going on, you are the star. And you move out of being the star and being part of the movie, you become the witness observer. And then eventually you notice that the witness observer is impersonal. If you lead a contemplative lifestyle, you realize that mentation, awareness, and all these things are phenomena that are happening of their own. There isn't any you doing that at all. The witnessing the phenomena is you become the context. The witnessing awareness passing phenomena is happening autonomously. You don't decide when you get up in the morning, I think I'll be aware of what's going on today. I mean, right? Awarenessing, witnessing is not a personal I. So as you move from identification with the movie, my dog Rover and my ex-mother-in-law and what they did to me and all this melodrama, as you pull back, you become the witness observer that the mind thinks that way. You stop calling it my mind or me, it's the mind, just like this is the body, see? This is the body assigned to me for this trip. I haven't got much to say about it, do I? Except be friendly with it. I try to be very friendly with the body. It doesn't cooperate at all times, but that's my assignment. While you're here, Dave, take care of this. Okay, thank you, sir. I'll do my best. And you're responsible for it while you're here. Oh. Contemplative, then, is you withdraw into the witness observer of phenomena, and it becomes more and more impersonal until finally the duality recedes and the totality of the oneness shines forth of its own radiance. There's no me witnessing that, no me observing that. Witnessing, observing doesn't have a personal pronoun. It's only a phenomena. It's a quality of consciousness. So you withdraw from identifying the me as the body or the mind or the feelings and withdraw. So by meditation and contemplation, then, you withdraw from identification with the body and the mind. You become the witness, and finally you are that which is aware of the witness. You become awareness itself.